here to introduce you to a really useful workflow that processes invoices. So basically, invoice is uploaded to Google Drive. The agent will process information that you want it to process. So you set the details that you want the agent to process. And then it's added to Google Sheets, as well as email is sent out to a billing team. So let's look into it. I've just uploaded this is a fake invoice, uploaded an invoice to Google Drive just now. Okay, let's jump into the workflow. I'm gonna start this again. Let's see if it works. Okay, Google Trigger. So it's triggered when the invoice is uploaded. Then we have here a download the binary data. So the data is actually determined by the Google Sheet that I have prepared in advance. The data that we need to extract from the invoice is supply name, date of invoice, payment due date, service description, net amount, VAT, gross amount, and client phone number. So this is the stuff we wish to extract. We wish to also populate and send out to the billing team. So let's see if we can make that happen. Right, so we're downloading that data now, hopefully. Yeah, so here it is. Let's move on to the next node. Then that data is downloaded. It needs to be now extracted. Here is the extract from PDF node. So this is the stuff that it's going to process. Let's see. There you go. So I've got this invoice now downloaded and extracted. And here we got information extractor agent. That agent is again connected to OpenRouter chat model, which currently in this case we are using Gemini 2.0 Flash model. And that node, what it does, it takes that information and then process it. Now here we have determined exactly which fields we need. We need the supplier name as per the Google Sheet, and we have just set it up exactly that is a string, and then we have on the date of the invoice, and that is the data type is the date, and so on. So this node is actually just configured to extract the exact information that we require. And here we have the system prompt that tells the agent what to do, how they are all expert extracting the algorithm, what it needs to extract, and then how also that it needs to send an email. So let's execute this node now. It processes it, and next node is append a row appended to Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet that we want to populate. That will be the next step. And here this node has been set up to it's basically connected. It connects to the exact data that we wish to extract, regardless of what is written. It's kind of those IDs have been copied in here, so whatever the data is going to be populated should be populated correctly. And let's see if we can make that happen. There it is, populating it. Okay, no, have we populated? Yes, this has populated. So here it is. Cool Bricks is the supplier name, date 3rd of August, due date 17th of August, basic fee for something. Then we have net amount 35, gross amount 42, and client phone number is a UK phone number with 44. So let's have a look if that is actually the case. So here we have the date of the invoice, 3rd of August. Where is the due date? Due date is over here in the bottom, and it has found it. Very good. 17th. Net amount 35, gross amount 42, and the phone number is here. Ends with 0990. Let's have a look. 0990. So yeah, it has processed this, and it is from Cool Bricks Cloud Limited. And here we have Good Bricks Cloud Limited. Yeah, and service description, basic fee, special offer. For some reason, offer has been written OZER. So So that's the only bug here at this point, although the invoice does say offer. And now let's create an email. So in this node we would like the email to be sent. So we have prompted it to be an email expert, and it has a name called billing assistant is the name of the agent, and you will receive information, and your job is to notify internal billing team. And we have given it an email address that it needs to send it to, and let's see if it's doing it. Yeah, right. Let's jump back into this. So this at this point we just created the email, and the next node should send the email, and the last node is do nothing. So that is the final step of this workflow. Let's have a look. I'm going back to my actual email, and let's see if I have now. I have invoice received, cool bricks with special offer with gross amount of 42, with the link included to Google Docs and all the information included. Thank you for listening.